Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today you may remember this laser tape measure here that we did in a past video. It has a regular tape measure in it. It also has a laser pointer that points out of here and it measures the distance without using the tape measure. This was a really cool product, so when the person who sent me this out to review decided to send this small monitor out to review, I'm hoping it's just as cool of a product here. So I figured I would say yes and I'd do a review on it because I love all tech stuff. And this would work perfect for our laser engraving at craft shows. So what my plan is to use this as a secondary monitor on our laptop that'd be right next to our laser engraver to mirror what we're doing on the computer so our customers can see their products being made here. So real quick, let's cover what's all included with this. This can support VGA, HDMI, AV, USB, and the BNC. With that said, if you want to see all of the specs, you can pause the screen here, read over all of these on your own. The most important being the display size is 7 inches, the refresh hertz is 60 hertz, and then the aspect ratio is 16:9, so your standard aspect ratio. You can read over the rest on your own. I just want to keep the video as short and sweet as possible here, and we'll get into the review. We're going to unbox this really quick. It comes with your standard user manual. Read it if you need to. I think we can handle it here. And then it has double-sided tape here that's going to go on the bottom of your mount if you want to mount it to something. I'm probably not going to use this unless I make some kind of permanent display for like a craft show. You got an HDMI cable, your VGA cable for like old monitors. You have the power cable itself. RCA cable for like an old TV set, or this would come in handy for retro gaming, which I'm into, but I don't know if you guys are. If you want to see a video on this product with me doing like an old PlayStation I have, let me know. I can do that video too. We have a remote control, so that's cool that it comes with a remote control. The stand itself, and I think this is part of the stand. Yeah, I'll open this up later, but this looks like it's part of the stand. And you have a coax cable as well, it looks like. Some kind of coax cable there. So on the right side, we have the actual monitor itself here, surrounded in styrofoam here. And this is what the monitor looks like here. So I think this is originally intended for like a security display, like home security. But you have all of your ports here. You can plug in whatever you want. Today we're going to be using the HDMI and the power cable. HDMI is going to go into our laptop and then we're going to mirror it. I'm going to show you what that looks like here. And overall, it should be just like a standard monitor here. This little piece that I said I'll unbox later, it looks like this is just something that will slot in here. You'll slot it in, attach this to the stand, and then you'll be good to go. I think you guys get the gist of that. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump over to the laptop connected to this as a monitor and show you how well it works here. Alright you guys, so this is the closest I could get everything in one frame so you can see what's going on here. We have the new small monitor connected to our laptop here. This would be the setup for our craft shows, except for the monitor would be turned around, but I'm not going to do that for this video so you can see what's going on here. But I'd probably put this at eye level for customers who are passing by and they want to see what I'm doing on my laptop in just a small area so they can see their design being made. So in this case, if they wanted to make a slate coaster with this deer on it, we have an inverted picture of a deer, we'd tell them, hey, I'm going to make this coaster for you. You want to watch me make it? And then we would make it with this small monitor here. It works really well. The colors are all pretty accurate here. This is originally made with like a security camera in mind, as well as like a backup camera for a car, for example. So you could use it for those things. You could also use it for like retro gaming. There's also speakers built inside of this thing, so that's cool. You can also put a USB device in here too. So if you have like videos or pictures on a USB device and you want to show off past projects that you've done or past videos that you've done with this monitor at a fair as well, you can. And then I also appreciate the fact that it comes with this little remote control here, so you can turn it on and off and flip through the different situations that you have plugged in depending on what you have. So this shows you a quick run-up time. It takes just a few seconds to get connected. Once it's connected, it's good to go. I think your customers would like it. It's something really cheap here and affordable. just to have at a craft show to show your potential buyers what you're doing, and it's a good way to draw them in. So if you guys are interested, I'll put some links in the description below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.